In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PSD or EPS files in Figma. First, open your design in Figma. Having the target file ready makes it easier to place your imported artwork exactly where it belongs and immediately see how it fits with the rest of your layout. Let's start with EPS files. To bring EPS artwork into Figma, you'll use a plugin from the Figma community. Search for and install a trusted converter such as EPS Design. Once the plugin is installed, run it inside your project. You'll see an area in the plugin window where you can drag and drop your .eps file. Drop the file there, and the plugin will handle the conversion for you. When it's finished, your EPS will appear as editable vector layers in your canvas. That means you can select shapes, tweak fills and strokes, and scale without losing quality. If you notice groups, masks, or compound paths, that's normal for EPS. It simply reflects how the original file was constructed. Give the plugin a moment on large or complex files, and then review the imported layers to ensure everything looks as expected. Now, let's import Photoshop files. For PSDs and PSBs, install the PSD Design plugin from the Figma community. Open the plugin, then drag and drop your .psd or .psb file right into its interface. When prompted, choose to import as editable layers. This option works to preserve text styles, effects, and the original layer structure where possible, so your file comes in organized and ready to fine-tune. Text layers can remain editable if the fonts are available, and effects like shadows or glows often come through as layer properties you can adjust. If your file is particularly large or has a lot of complex nesting, here is also an alternative mode called PSD Import Fast. Use that when you need a reliable, streamlined import for complex, layered Photoshop files. It prioritizes getting all those layers into Figma quickly, so you can continue designing without delay. After each import, take a quick pass through your Layers panel to confirm everything transferred correctly. Vector elements from EPS should be crisp and scalable, and PSD content should maintain a sensible hierarchy with familiar names and effects. If anything looks off, try rerunning the plugin with the same settings and give it a bit more time, especially on big files. That's it. Thanks for watching.